Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs and back to our API testing interview questions and answer series. So far, we have seen around 4 videos you can see in API and some really good questions that we have covered so far. In the last video, we covered different types of HTTP status code as well, and then different various types of practical examples with the proper interview questions and answers that we have seen. So if you are really looking for some API testing or API interviews that you really want to know that how exactly people ask at the time of interviews for the API point of view, I think I'm pretty much sure that these 4 or 5 videos will surely help you. So today is the fifth video. I thought of creating a video on JSON path validator also because this is something very important because what happens when you send the request to the server and we are getting a response. For example, let's see, this is the API that we are hitting, and then you are sending it, and then you are getting a response here, and you are getting a huge a response payload or response that you are getting it here. And it's this response is very complex, a very lengthy response having a lot of objects, many arrays are there inside the array, another values, key value pair formats are available like that. So let's see, we really need to capture that, okay, how many IDs are there, give me the total ID count, give me that. Okay, fine. Go to the first array and then give me the name, give me the email, give me the gender from this particular ID. So how will you get the value or how do you fetch the value from the a huge JSON payload? And you must have heard about we have to use a JSON path evaluator. So we have to write some JSON path expression. So I have taken, let's see, this particular URL, JSON path, herokuapp.com. You can go there. There are multiple online evaluators are available. You can go to this site 24 by 7. Also, you can go there. You can just write your, JSON path query and then the respective output that you will be getting it over here. And this is also very famous. You can go to JSON path online evaluator, jasonpath.com. You can go and then you can just paste your JSON here and then you can get the results over here. This is very important in interview point of view also because there are many interview questions can be asked that, okay, tell me in this particular store JSON how many books are available, or let's see, give me the category of each and every books, give me the price of all the books, something like that, and give me the total number of books are available like that, right? So in the store, how many, let's see, categories are there? Let's see, we have book category and bicycle category. So first of all, you should know that how to write a query for the JSON. Before that, simple basic couple of things I would like to, some basic things I'm going to tell you. How whenever you have to read JSON, see, JSON will start from the curly bracket here like that. This is starting body and this is the ending body. If I remove something from here, and then, for example, let's go to this one. So let's see, this is my starting body and this is my ending body. If I remove this, immediately it will start giving you error that, okay, hey, we are expecting something and this is the syntax error. So this is not a valid JSON. First of all, that make sure that, okay, you are writing the valid JSON file. And then in the JSON file, there are a number of keys are available. You can see this is my key here. And all the keys will be written with double quotes. You can see store, book, category, author, title, right? So if I remove, let's see, for example, double quote from here, it will start giving you error. Remove double quote from here, it will start giving you error. So this is not allowed. All the keys should be written within double quotes because everything will be treated as a string only. Second thing is that whenever you see the curly bracket means this is my key and this is the entire value object that we have written. So JSON is what? JSON is having a lot of key and value pair formats. And then this is the store key. Inside the store key, these are the number of values are available. Now, how will you read this particular value? Then we have another book key. And then this square bracket means this is the JSON array, right? This is just like we have normal array, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, a static array that we have in every programming language. Same thing over here as well. This is the array. And this array is actually started here. And then you can see ended over here. So if I ask you that, okay, yeah, how many books are available? So this is my 0th element. This is my first element. And all these elements are separated by comma. So see, if I remove this comma, it will start giving you error. So put a comma here. And this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So index will always start from 0. So how many books are there? There are 4 books are there, I can say that. But what is the length? I mean, what is 4 is the length, but what is the lowest index? The lowest index will be 0 and highest index will be 3 over here. It means 0 to 3. Perfect. Then we have bicycle. Bicycle is the array. No, bicycle is not the array. See, array means the square bracket is mandatory. Bicycle is not the array. Bicycle is having its own object and started over here and ended over here. And then inside that we have key and value pair formats are available. See, this is my color, this is my key, and then this is a value. This is my key and this is a value. Now, key, as I told you, that always should be written with the string. It should be written within double quotes. Value could be a string also. Value could be a numeric value also. It could be a double float value also. It can be an integer number also. It can be a number also. It can be true or false also. You can write it over here. For example, let's see. Remember one thing. Whenever I'm going to create a new entry, put a comma, and let's say I want to add something else. Let's say I want to add age category over here, colon, and age is let's see 25. And then I'm saying, okay, that is available, for example. Okay, let's see, is ABA, something like this. And then I'm saying, okay, fine, true. That, okay, so this is a Boolean value also, you can write it here. But let's see, for example, if I put a comma here, it's while giving you error because this is the last entry of this particular index. So make sure remove this particular comma from here, right? So this is how we have to read the JSON. And now we have to start writing the queries. How to write it? There are many expressions that we have to understand. And then a couple of examples, important examples, I'll tell you. This is like for sure people will ask you at the time of interview. For example, let's see, this is the array. Sorry, this is the JSON that we have. In this particular JSON, the starting point is this, ending point is this, and this is my store is the key. And then in this particular store, we have two categories are there. You can see book category and which is ended over here. So this is book array. And then we have bicycle object, I mean bicycle key, and then it's having its own object having two key and value pair formats, color and the price. So let's see, I really want to ask that authors of all the books, how will you get it? So see, you can see that, okay, authors of, this is my first book and having its own author, second author, third author, and fourth book and author is available. So four books, four authors. So my question is that, okay, fine, give me all the authors. First of all, that you have to always, JSON path expression will start with dollar over here. So I'm going to write dollar. See this? See, I'm writing here dollar. And then you write dot. Okay. And then what is the first element? The first element is that the parent element is a store. And then after that, where exactly you want to go? I want to go to book. So see, if you write only dollar dot store and let's click on this, and it's giving you all the books and all the store information, like how many books are there and how many bicycles are there. Then I'll say, okay, now give me only bicycle. So I'll do one thing. I'll just write only from store where exactly you want to go. From store, you go to bicycle and then click on go. Then it's giving you, okay, fine. In bicycle, you have only two values, color, price, and this one. That also you can do that. Then I say, okay, fine. From bicycle, what is the color of that bicycle? So I'll say, okay, fine. Give me the color and then click on go. Then it's giving you red only like that. So if you're writing any, let's say, RestAssured or Python or any language or Java or anything that you're writing, you will write this expression, fetch the value, and then you will check that, okay, yeah, what is the JSON response that I'm getting? I'll go to bicycle and what is the color of that bicycle? I'll be getting red. And then write some assertion with the testng JUnit or whatever that you are writing that, okay, yeah, it color of the bicycle should be red. So obviously you have to validate that. So that's what, in terms of validation, first you have to fetch the value of a specific attribute or a specific key, and then you have to validate that. Now the question here is that the authors of all books. So how will you go there? So first of all, I'll start a store, and I know that, okay, a store is having all the books. So I'll simply go to book over here. And book is what? Book is an array. So I'll write one square bracket for array. Here you can see that. I hope you can just check that. Okay. And then I'm saying just put a star over here. Okay. And then which category that I mean, which attribute you are looking for. I'm looking for, okay, let's see, author attribute or author key. So I'll simply write author over here. That's it. And let's see, is it really giving me all the authors or not? So here you can see that, okay, yeah, you can see Nizal, Rees, Evelyn, and Harman, and JRR, whatever the number of, four authors are there from each and every book. It's actually giving to you over here like this. So this is absolutely correct. And let's see, I'll simply say, okay, fine, give me the price of all the books. So you simply write price over here and then click on go. Then you are getting complete price information. That also you can do that, right? So this is also you can do. Now I'll say, okay, fine. Doesn't matter where exactly uh, authors are available. Maybe some authors are available for bicycle also, for example, or maybe some other arrays are also available. Then I'll simple say, okay, fine. No need to go to any store or nothing. You simple write dollar dot dot and give me all the authors. So let's see, am I getting all the authors or not? So see, again, it's giving you all the authors. But if you write store and then only inside the store give me all the authors, then you have to go dot dollar store dot book. You have to write it over here. Okay, so this is also fine. Okay, then I'm saying, okay, fine. Go to store. Okay, dollar dot, let's see, I'm writing store and give me all the price of everything. So you can write it like this, double dot price also. It means directly from the store, give me all the price. So you can just bypass the book from here. And that's why I'm writing double dot over here. See, dot and dot pricing over here. And then I'm saying, okay, fine, let's click on go. And then see, this is also giving you all the pricing. So that also you can ignore it. I mean, that also you can use it. You can ignore the book also in between unnecessary. You can directly jump from store to price. So you simple write double dot over here. This is just like an XPath. If you remember that in XPath, what we do for the indirect child, we use two forward slash, and for direct child, we use one single forward slash. Same thing here also, you can write it. Then I'm saying, okay, fine, that third, give me the information of third book. So I'll do one thing. I simple write dollar. And let's see, I have to, let's see, start from dollar. See, once again, let's see. And I'll go to, first of all, directly to the book. So see, dot, dot, I'm ignoring the store, a book. And then I'm saying this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. It means go to the third array. Third array means what will the index? The index will be 2 over here. That's it. It means give me the information about the third book. So let's see. See, it's giving you the information about third book where the author name is Herman Melville, whatever is there. It's written over here. So this is also fine. Then I'm saying second to last book. Second to last book means you simple write negative index -2. Then you can write -2 also. See, again, -2 is giving you the same one. So -2 means, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. And then the -2 means the second to last book. -3 means second to third book. That also you can do that. So let's see, if I want only first two books. So you can simple write 0, comma 1. Give me only first two books. So let's see. So only first two books you are giving. So you just simple write 0, comma 1. If I'm saying, okay, fine, give me, let's see, 0, comma 3. So what exactly we are getting? So you are getting 0th value, first of all, and then you are getting JRR, that the Lord of the Rings also you are getting. It means give me the 0th information and the third information. That's it. That also you are getting it. But let's see, if I really want to give a range. Range means I'm saying, see this carefully. I'm writing colon and 2. Colon 2 means you start from 0, okay, until index number 2, but don't include 2. So if you write only colon 2 means give me 0th information and the first information. So this is 0th array. This is your first array. You will be getting it, but it will not include this title, Moby Cake or Herman Melville. Let's see. So it's giving you only first two information. But if I'm saying, okay, no, give me colon 3. Colon 3 means 0, 1, and 2. 3 should be excluded from here. So let's see. See, it's giving you 0, 1, and 2. Perfect. That is also fine. But let's see, I really want to start from a specific range. That also you can give that. So I'm saying, okay, no, give me from 1 to 3, or let's see 1 to 2 only. But 2 again will be excluded from here. So let's run it and let's see. See, 1 to 2 means it's giving you that sword of honor. So this is 0 and this is 1. 2 will be excluded. So it's giving you only one information. It means only one particular book that you are getting it. Between 1 to 2, please do not include 2. And remember, the index will start from 0. So if I'm writing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, do not include 3. It means give me 1, 2. So this is 0 will be excluded. And then this is 1 and this is 2. So let's see, are we getting the right output or not? Yes, we are getting it. Sword of honor, and we are getting this guy, Moby Neck, that we are getting it. This is also perfectly fine. Okay. Then I'm saying, okay, fine. Give me the, I would say, let's see, 1, and then I'm writing colon. Then let's see what happens. So 1 colon means it's giving you the book number. Book number, I would say. So see, exactly is getting Evelyn and Herman and this one. So Up to 1, it will be capturing it. It means start from here and up to 1. So it will exclude, okay, zeroth number over here. So let me write, let's see, 2 over here. So it will start in the backward direction. So let's see. So here I'm getting, let's see, JRR token and then Herman Malville. We are getting it. So it means from the tail. Tail means this is the last one. From the tail or from the end, you give me last two options. So this is your last two books that you are getting it, or last two options that you are getting it. That also you can write it, right? Now let's write some more interesting one. So I'll say, okay, that give me all the books with some, which is having some number. Which number? Let's see, ISBN number. So if you see, these two books are not having ISBN number, but this book I having ISBN. This book is also having some ISBN number. So I'm looking for only those books which are having some ISBN number. So how will you do this? So I'll be writing one special character that is called at the rate and the question mark together. So after book, I know that it's an array. So we have to write an array sign here. And then you write a question mark here. And then you put a, okay, this bracket here like this. I hope it's visible. And then I'm writing at the rate and which property that you're looking for. Just copy this exact property or the key dot ISBN. Okay. So here I'm asking that, okay, you start from the beginning, dollar means from the top, and then directly go to the book array because of dot dot in between any kind of any other elements are coming, ignore that, go to book array. And what exactly you're looking for? I'm looking for ISBN over here. So I have to write dollar dot ISBN. If you're looking for, let's see, author, then you have to write dollar dot author. So dollar dot ISBN. And so let's see. So it's giving me only those books which are having ISBN. You can see ISBN and ISBN. That's it. So let's see, tomorrow you have a huge payload, and let's see, 50 size of array is 50, 100 or 200 or 300. Let's see, from e-commerce application, especially on the e-commerce application, you're getting a huge JSON payload array and JSON object and having a huge array size. Then in that case, you can just looking for only for, let's see, only for those accounts which are having some specific property. You can check it here like this. So that also you can do that. Okay. Now let's see, I'm looking for, give me all the books in the store which are cheaper than $10. So here you can see I have two books which are cheaper than the price is actually less than 10. This one 8.95 and this one 12.99 and 22.99. They both are greater than 10. So in that case, what should I do? In that case, again, let's do that. So I'll write one more square bracket here. And then once again, the question mark. What exactly you are looking for, which tag that you are looking for, which key that you are looking for. I'm looking for dollar. And then I'm writing dot price, as I told you, dollar dot price. And then you just put a condition less than equal to, or let's see, less than 10 that I'm writing. That's it. So here you can put condition also. See, less than 10 that I have written here. Okay. And then I'm clicking on okay, sorry, go. And let's see. It's saying that could not pass token starting position 7. So let me check. I'm saying dollar price. Let's just put a space over here and see, this is what we are missing. See, my mistake. We have to close the bracket here like this. Okay. And before at the rate also, this one like this. And then click on go. Now you can see I'm getting only those books having the price less than 10. See, 8.95 and 8.99. If you write, okay, no, give me those price which are giving greater than 10, which are having the price greater than 10, then we are getting 12.99 and 22.99. These two books where you are getting it. Okay, let me explain you once again. Don't worry. So let's see, dollar, directly go to the book array. So dot dot book array. And then array means a square bracket we have to write. Okay. Then what we have to write here? We have to write a question mark and then immediately put these two brackets. Earlier we missed these two brackets actually. That's what we were getting error. Then I'm writing which property that you are looking for. I'm looking for, okay, inside the book array, dollar dot price category or price key that I'm looking for, and which is like what? Less than 10. And then you click on go. And then let's see, are we getting, yes, less than 10 values, we are getting it here. If I'm saying, okay, no, give me that which greater than 10, then see, greater than 10 that we are getting. This is also perfectly fine. So this also you can do that. Okay. So these are the different things that we can use. So let's see, I really want to know that how many books are there. Total number of books are there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 books are there. So you can use some methods also. So you simple write book and then write dot length method here. And then click on go. So it's saying that the output is 4 over here. See, there are 4 books are available. I hope it's visible. See, 4 books are available. So dot length method also you can use it here like this. So this is also perfectly fine. So like this, guys, you can write many combinations. You can write it here. For example, let's see now. Again, I'll write a dollar. Let's try in this pad now. So let's see, I'm writing a JSON path here. I'm writing, let's say, dollar. And then from the dollar, where exactly you want to go. So let's say I really want to go to the store here. So one by one, also you can follow that store. And then go to the book array. Dot book is the array. See the square bracket. After book, we have a square bracket means array. And which array that you are looking for, let's see, 0th element. So see, it's actually filtering out only the 0th element. And then from 0th element, what exactly you're looking for is this 0th book is available or not. So I'm simple writing dot is available. It's saying, yes, it's available, true, which is absolutely correct. Perfect. So this is also fine. That also you can write it. Now let me try it. Let's see some more addition values over here. So I'm saying, okay, fine. Let's see double quote. And then I'm writing, let's see devices, colon. And under this particular devices, I'll do one thing, just like we created like this, I'm going to create, and then I'm maintaining, let's see some properties over here. So let's see, this is my device. Okay. Or let's see, I'll say that mobile, which mobile that you have. So I'm saying I'm having, let's see, iPhone 14, comma, and then I'm writing, let's see, which laptop that you are having. So I'm writing laptop, and then I'm writing, let's see, MacBook Pro. And let's see one more property that I'm writing, that do you have any iPad? So I'm saying, yeah, I'm having, let's see, iPad mini, something like this. Okay. So this devices is the array. No, devices is not the array. See, devices is not the array. Why? Because there is no square bracket. So devices is the object actually. Object is having its key, and these are the three where key and value pair formats are available. So I'm saying, okay, fine, you go to the 0th array and then go to devices. So I'm going to write devices over here. So see, it's giving you the complete output for the devices here. And then from the devices, what exactly you want to go, it means give me the information about iPad. So I'm simple writing iPad. And yes, the value is equal to iPad mini. What is your laptop? So I'm writing a laptop here. So it's giving you MacBook Pro. Perfect. So like this also you can do that. So whenever you are getting any information or any JSON response, let's see, this is my JSON response that we are getting. You can do one thing, you just simple copy the response and then you just simple paste it over here, and then you can validate whatever you want to validate here. For example, let's see, now I really want to validate from the dollar. See, dollar is saying, first of all, that see, this is what we are getting here. And then I'm saying, okay, fine, this is what dollar. And then I'm saying that, okay, give me dollar, and then see, dollar means everything, and then I'm writing dollar dot star. So dollar dot star means give me everything about this particular array, okay, this particular JSON, whatever we are getting it. And then I'm saying, okay, fine, that from the dollar you do one thing, dollar and then I'm passing, let's see, 0, because see, starting from here itself is starting from the JSON array, because I can see one array sign here. It means this will become automatically the 0th element. And then from the 0th element, I'm saying, okay, give me the ID. So ID is 2889. You can fetch it. You can store in some integer variable or something like this. And then you can validate later on in your script also. You can validate that. So that also you can do it. So like this, you can just simply use it here. Okay. So let's say I'm going to create a user. For example, let's see, create a user and then send the request, and then we are getting a response here. See, such a small response that we are getting. And then I'll just simple copy and then paste it. Initially, you can practice here like this. And then later on, once you are used to with the syntax, and then directly you can write in your script also. So I'm saying, okay, fine, there is no array sign, nothing, directly starting with the curly bracket. And then I'm saying, give me the value immediately, $ID. What is the name that we actually created with the post call? Name is equal to Tenali Ramakrishna, whatever is there. Right? So like this, you can fetch the information when you get the response. And then once you get the response, you can just fetch the information and then validate that. Because how will you validate? How will you validate, okay, your ID is not equal to null, or ID is coming correctly, or ID is not duplicate, or name is correctly done or not? So you have to validate all these information or important information, that what is the user status? User status is active or inactive. So you have to write status over here. So because it's not about getting the response, but it's about getting the response with the 200 or 201 or whatever, and the response values are correct or not. I really want to validate a specific response value, and response is sometimes very, very huge. So in that case, we have to validate accordingly. Okay. So I hope 3, 4 websites you can use it. Any of them you can use it. Most of the syntax will work for all these applications. Make it a habit of using the JSON path properly, because this is again important for interview point of view. People might ask you these kind of questions at the time of interview. I hope this is clear. That's all for this particular interview, guys. I mean, that's for this particular video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you all.